keep the inner flame bright. Hear the drum beat call my name. Bloodline fire never fade away. Every step I take in truth and light. Ancestors guide I way. No darkness can hold I down. No wicked heart can steal my crown. Spirit strong like river flow. Jah light everywhere I go. Jah light guide I way, guide I way. Through the storm and through the day, ancestors sing in the wind and rain. Say rise up child, don't fear no pain. Jah light guide I way, guide I way. Every step the spirit say, walk in truth and walk in love. Blessings falling from above. River run deep through the valley low. Wash away the weight of yesterday. Every prayer that the elders know still echo in the hearts today. Hear the children sing freedom song. Feel the fire burning in the soul. When the people rise together strong, that's when the healing take control. No shadow can dim this flame. No false word can twist my name. Spirit strong like mountain stone. Never walk this road alone. Jah light guide I way, guide I way. Through the storm and through the day, ancestors sing in the wind and rain. Say rise up child, don't fear no pain. Jah light guide I way, guide I way. Every step the spirit say, walk in truth and walk in love. Blessings falling from above. Rise up, spirit never sleep. Rise up, roots run deep. Rise up, hear the ancestors call.